Welcome back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to draw dots with random colors. You can combine the spray tool and the tweak tool to achieve this effect very quickly. Let us first create a simple circle. I hold Ctrl and go to 45-degree angle to drag it, and that gives us a perfect circle. Let me just use this as a basic color. It doesn't really matter what we have. And now we want to use the spray tool right here. Make sure that you've got the first mode active. So copies of the initial selection, that's what we want to have. But you can see nothing happens if you left click. We first need to select it. So you can press Ctrl A, for example, to select the circle, or just use the cursor tool to select it and then activate the spray tool. And if you now left click, you've got these circles. You can also left click and hold. It gives you this overlapping cluster. I think that's enough to show the effect. Now we want to add the random color, and we're going to use the tweak tool for that. The width, you can adjust the size of the circle. For example, let me go down to 10. Force, set it to 100, that's fine. And we want to have this active, so jitter colors. And you've got the 4 options for channel. If you just left click and drag, once again there is an issue. We only have the first one affected, and the other one's not. And the reason is we only have this circle selected, so press Ctrl A to have them all selected, and then use the tweak tool. And now if you go over it, you can see all of them are affected. You can adjust the effect, for example, by turning off the opacity channel, or turn off the hue channel and go over it once more. Let me increase the width, and you can see it even works like this, and it's much quicker. So if you combine the spray tool and this tweak tool, you can get this effect done very quickly. And this is how you can create dots with random colors in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.